Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. This episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about AA batteries. Alrighty, and get situated in my chair here, get more comfortable. Batteries, everyone talks about batteries here, there a little bit, and they usually do it in passing. But here's one thing you really should think about doing. Go around, count all the batteries that you need. So, I got a flashlight. I need batteries for that. I got something else. I need batteries for that. I got clocks on the wall. Every clock needs a battery. Find out exactly how many batteries you have in use, whether they're in use all the time or whether they're just sitting there in a flashlight ready to be used. Count the number of batteries you have. Then take that number and then you have to decide, are you going to do rechargeable or non-rechargeable? If you're doing non-rechargeable, triple that number. If you're doing rechargeable, double that number. Say you wind up with 30 batteries. Well, then you should have 60 rechargeable batteries. Why 60? Well, first thing you're going to do is you're going to charge up 30 of them, put them in what get ready to put them in. Now, a lot of these rechargeables, like these here, and let me get that. So you get these here. Say once you charge them, they'll hold their charge for 10 years. After 5 years, I'm going to put in the test to see how it's doing and see whether or not I got to recharge it. Once you have a set charged up, ready to go in, then as the batteries are dying, the non-rechargeables die, you replace them with rechargeables. And that way, when a rechargeable dies, you just swap it out, recharge it, and put it in the box, ready to go in again in 60 days, 2 months, whatever. We went through a lot of AA batteries with the Wii system because they take 2 AA batteries and you just go through it. And it's like, end of the day, it's like, oh, this one's getting dead. Time to change the batteries in it. And so bought a bunch of the rechargeable ones. But we still get, by the box because there are certain things that the grandkids have a tendency to lose that take AA batteries. Like they're little flashlights. We'd load them with the rechargeables, we would have lost, 3 rechargeables per battery, 4, there would have been 12 rechargeables gone. Yes, these cost more than these do, but if you do good on your shopping, you can get them for about anywhere from 97 cents up to $1.17 per battery. But they have like 500 life cycles on it. So you figure you charge it up fully once, you use it, got to recharge it again. You can do that 500 times, and it's going to way be cheaper than buying these. Now, one of the other things, well, what happens if the power's out and I'm using the batteries all the time? Hey, there's some great things out there called solar battery chargers. You put 4 or 8, depending on what size one you get, batteries in there. You set it out in the sun and it charges them up. Hey, and if you have those walk lights, you can recharge those up too. Generally those things can be fully charged in half a day. So you charge those up, swap out the battery, put another battery in there, let it finish charging it up for you to use it elsewhere. All right. Batteries can save lives. They can save boredom. They can save you from going insane with nothing to do, and you want the kids to have something to play where they go away from you and play. So having a good supply of batteries is paramount to everyday survival, not just talking disaster survival, everyday survival. All right? So remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicines, skills, batteries, All right. Why? Well, this is why.